Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add your own music to TikTok. Alright guys, let's get into it. First thing first, let's just open up our TikTok application. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can start to create new post. Click on this plus button to create new post. And here, before you upload a video or photo from your device, or before you take a photo or video with TikTok camera, you can click on add sound right here. Okay, and here we can click on your sound since we want to add our own music. Okay, and we have two options. We can select import sound from video or import local sound, and I'm gonna go with this one. Then this are the music from my device, and for instance I'm going to add this music. You can select multiple musics if you want. Then we can click on import sound. Okay, and now the music has been added and we can use the music for our TikTok post. And I'm just going to click on it, then click on this check mark, and now the music has been added to our TikTok post. Then we just need to upload photo or video from our device, or we can take a photo or video with our TikTok camera. Alright guys, and that's how we can add our own music to TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.